Aloha and welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host, Christina Nishiyama, and today we're in beautiful Hawaiʻi Kai on the eastern coast of the island of Oahu. Today I'll be sharing some fun in the sun with some outdoor adventures where tropical paradise meets the Pacific. Are you ready? All right, let's go have some fun. Koko Marina Shopping Center is home to Coconuts, one of my favorite shave ice spots on the island. Shaved ice is not just a refreshing dessert, it's a delightful and colorful experience that captures the essence of Hawaiian culture with its iconic soft and fluffy ice piled into a high mound of fluffy white snow and generously drizzled with brightly colored sweet flavored syrups. Celebrate with the community in their annual events like their festive Christmas Parade and Christmas Marina Boat Parade. Hawaiʻi Kai is surrounded by stunning natural beauty with miles of sandy beaches like Hanauma Bay, a world-renowned picturesque bay. Take a cruise around the coast to Sandy Beach and Makapuʻu Beach, both known for its strong shore break, a popular spot for bodyboarding and body surfing. Enjoy the incredible panoramic views of the deep blue ocean, where you'll capture the beauty of the white-tipped waves against the sandy beach and splash on the black coastal rocks of Makapuʻu Beach, a sanctuary of North Pacific population of humpback whales that return every year to Hawaii in the winter months.
Maybe we could take this all away, spend another day chilling, making layers. Is in a movie. I call it every night and every day, 'cause I don't ever let the fame or money fool me. I gotta stay consistent in my ways. Oh yeah, we ain't got nowhere to be, living a wild and free. Girl, let's make it a 3, another one up on my sleeve. She said she don't wanna leave, ain't even playing for keeps. Yeah. Can't nobody tell me what I can't do. Gotta play the aces that life hands you. Feeling like my body understands you. Maybe we could take this all away.
Just 11 miles from Hawaiʻi Kai, our next adventure awaits in urban Honolulu. Kewalo Basin Harbor, adjacent to famous Moana Beach Park, is a 30-acre harbor home to a blend of personal, commercial, and charter vessels. Just across the street from the trendy high-rise community of Kakaʻako and Ward Village, this waterfront coast is a popular destination for all water enthusiasts to enjoy the beauty of Oahu's South Shore. With options galore to explore the ocean, set sail on an ultimate island yacht adventure. With the city behind you, enjoy the rhythm of the waves, reach for the sky with the wind on your face, watch surfers catching waves, fishermen casting their lines, and the outrigger canoe paddlers glide in unison as they race across the sea towards Diamond Head. With the sound of the sails in the wind, whether you're relaxing on the bow of the boat or dancing on the deck, cruising on the deep blue sea is a day you'll never forget. Thank you again for joining me on the American Dream. A big mahalo to Captain Perry and First Mate Hannah, and cheers to sunsets and friendships. Until next time, cheers.